Hi, I'm Jenny Breckterfield with Keller Williams. I heard about Floyd Wickman's program from a friend of mine at my office, and what I really felt that this whole weekend benefited me was realizing that there was a marketing plan out there that really kept the focus towards what the consumer needs and all of their needs and wants, and not all the things that how awesome I was as an agent. It was all about the consumer. So, and to my pleasant surprise, what I also found is just a really positive group of like-minded agents and coaches that just really made me want to be a part of this family, and I'm really excited. So if anybody has any questions and you want to ask me personal questions about being here this weekend, my phone number is 801-580-5660.